If you're thinking about ordering from jollypeak.com, you should probably do a little research before spending your money. I looked into the site, and honestly, there are a few things that made me pause. First, jollypeak.com is a very new website, which means it doesn't have much of a track record yet. New online stores aren't automatically scams, but they do carry more risk since there aren't many verified customer experiences available. Independent website trust checkers have also given the site a low trust score due to factors like its young domain age and limited transparency. Another thing I noticed is the lack of reliable customer reviews from real buyers. When a store has little to no shopping history, it's harder to know what the product quality, shipping times, or customer service are actually like. So, is jollypeak.com worth buying from? At this point, I'd recommend being cautious. If you decide to place an order, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, avoid spending a large amount on your first purchase, and read the store's refund and return policies carefully. I hope this review helped. If you've bought from jollypeak.com before, let everyone know about your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest online store reviews.